Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam and I would love to have you guys subscribe so you won't miss out on any new videos. So today I'm filming another vlog, so you guys are going to come along with me on my journey for today. Now I have to go to the mall because I have to pick out a dress for my sister's wedding that's literally in 5 days. I'm a procrastinator, what can I say? So we're gonna go do that, but really quickly I just want to throw in this little clip of me and Johnny smelling the new scent I got from Bath & Body Works. I was trying to film a vlog with him, but then it just turned into a disaster because we went to eat sushi, which I will also throw in clips of that too, but he ate this oyster and I think he got stomach poisoning or food poisoning, so it turned into a disaster. But he's okay now, which is good, but I'm just gonna throw in that clip, so yeah. So we're back, and I always say that I'm gonna vlog where we are, but then I never do because I get shy. But I went to Bath & Body Works, and the lady was kind of rude, but I had 2 coupons, one for a free mini size gift and one for a 20% off your entire purchase. She said I already used my 20% off coupon, but I didn't. Like, I used the one online, but I didn't use the one that came in the mail. I don't know, I'm confused. But I'm gonna share with you guys what I got really fast. I got Dahlia. I've never had this one and I hope I like it. I mean, if I don't, I'm just gonna return it, to be honest. I don't know, how do you feel about that? It's a little too floral.
No, I actually like that one.
Not bad, but not my favorite. Oh, Sunset Glow. I didn't like this one at first, but I wanted to give it another try. That smells good. I kind of like that one.
I like the other one better.
And then I got Hello Beautiful. And I've never smelled this one. And you can't smell them in stores. Ooh, I kind of like that one.
This was the best one out of the 3, yeah.
Ooh, yeah. Okay, maybe I'll keep them all. We'll see. And then I just got this Vanilla Buttercream Shea hand cream because I needed a new hand cream and it was free, so I bought this. So this is all we got, and now we gotta go to Target to film my Hygiene shop with me. I will film in there. I'm going to, I promise. So yeah. So hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing that little clip. Now I'm going to share with you guys some of the things that I got for my birthday. My birthday is on the 26th and Johnny actually got me some gifts, which was so nice. I showed the Hygiene products he got me in my Hygiene haul, so you guys should go watch that. But he also got me, let me just get it real quick. So the first thing he got me was this Ariana Grande Cloud perfume. Look at how cute it is. I just have been wanting this so bad because I just think the packaging is so cute. It does smell like In the Stars, which I kind of hate In the Stars, but this scent is actually really good, so I'm excited about this, and that was so nice of him. And he also got me some Hygiene products. I showed that in my haul, so definitely go check that out. But the last thing he got me was something I was not expecting, and this is a really big gift that I've just did not expect, and he did not have to get me this. I love it so much, but he got me a new iPad, or an iPad. I've never had an iPad, but he got me an iPad. This is the 8th generation, and I'm so excited. Like, this was too much to like gift me. Like, I did not need this at all. I don't think I ever need anything that expensive, but he got me this, and let me just try to open this for you guys. So you guys, I didn't even undo like the packaging on here because like I'm waiting for the case to come. I also did buy the Apple Pencil, so we have to go pick that up today, but look at how cute this is. Like, I am so excited to like start watching videos and like editing my thumbnails on here. It was like such a shock to me that he got me this, and it was just so nice of him because he just really wanted me to have this because he was like, you can edit your thumbnails on here and watch videos, and it's also going to be amazing for school. So thank you so much to Johnny for gifting me this. I love it so much, and I'm going to get so much use out of this. So those are the little things that I got. So yeah, I'm at Target. I'm getting some chips. I also picked up my Apple Pencil. Now I'm in this random aisle because I felt uncomfortable vlogging, but yeah. So I'm back from Target, and I thought I would just share with you guys what I got at the mall and what I got at Target. From the mall, I picked up my sister's wedding dress, like what I'm gonna wear to her wedding. And at the mall I also got these 3 pairs of shorts. I just got these little booty shorts for like sleeping because these are like my favoriteest thing to wear to bed. I don't wear these in public because I got big legs and I don't want my butt cheeks hanging out, so that's why I don't wear them in public, but for bed it's totally fine. I sleep alone. And at Target I got my Apple Pencil. This is just like the first generation for my iPad. I also got some chips like you guys saw, and I just got another black plain t-shirt for work because I feel like my work shirt is getting really dingy and I just need to get a new one. Also, I forgot to show this in my Hygiene haul because I left it in my car by accident. I got this St. Ives Renewing Body Lotion, Collagen and Elastin. So this is, I'm guessing, supposed to smell like mint. I thought this would go good with my Olay body wash. And I also got the oatmeal and shea butter because I love oatmeal and shea butter scents. And I also got a Caress body wash because your girl can never have too much body wash. This one is the Black Orchid and Patchouli Oil. Let's go ahead and smell this. Ooh, that smells really nice. Caress is amazing body washes. So that is all I got from the mall and from Target and from Walmart the other day. Now I'm so hungry. It's like 4 o'clock. I have not eaten today and I think I'm gonna go to McDonald's. I know it's so unhealthy, but I'm just lazy to cook, so we're gonna go get McDonald's. I am going to go pick up my package because I always have packages coming, but I have an Amazon package and a regular package, so we're going there. I almost tripped, but I'm gonna show you guys what I got when I go back to my apartment. I got my Amazon package. I'm gonna try not to show you guys my address on here, but I'm just gonna open her up. I already know what this is, you guys. I got a pink iPad case because I need a case for the iPad, and so I just got this pink one. It's very simple and it also has the little holder for the pen, and this is like plastic, so it's actually going to, like, you know, protect my laptop or my iPad. What the heck am I talking about? But yeah, here we go. I don't know why this is, there you go. Look at how cute that is. Honestly, there's like smart people in my classes who always have an iPad. I'm like jealous of them, but now I have an iPad, so I'm excited to use her. And you can watch it like this, so that will be really nice to have. Also, do you guys want to see the new wax melts I got? I'm so excited, you guys. My room is also a ginormous mess, but I don't feel like cleaning it, so I'm gonna show you guys the new wax melts that I got. This vlog is just turning into a collective haul, but that's okay. So I got this one by Better Homes and Gardens, White Tahitian Woods. Smells very clean. Ooh, she smells really amazing. You guys know how I've been like addicted to wax melts. I also got this one. This is a value pack in Zen, and this one I've been burning in my or melting in my bathroom. I got another wax melt warmer, the one that plugs in, for my bathroom, so I got this one and it smells very fresh. I like fresh scents in my bathroom. I got Marshmallow Crispies. This literally smells like Fruity Pebbles. I got Sugared Lavender Twist. I hear Catherine and Ashley talk about these so much. And I got Lemon Blueberry Donut. I love sweet scents so much recently. And Warm Spring Sunshine. This would be great for like room or bathroom. You guys, this one has to be my favorite. This is Better Homes and Gardens Vanilla Cookie Crunch. Smells divine. I have it like melting right now. I literally want to like eat this because it just smells so good. I've already burned 2 cubes. I need to get like a value pack in that because I know I'm gonna like use it all the time. Cotton Candy Clouds, another one that like I've heard so many people rave about. Ooh, it smells so good. And look at how pretty pink that color is. And I also got Pina Colada because I'm gonna do a coconut scented body routine soon, and I want this to match. So that's what this wax looks like. It literally just smells like a pina colada. It feels like I should be on vacation. But those are all the wax melts I got. And now I'm gonna try to like play around with this iPad and like see if I can do like cool stuff with it. I need to clean my room, so maybe I'll do a time lapse of that. Alrighty, so my desk is all cleared. I do need to throw away these flowers. I will get to that, but I love how my little perfume section looks. Like, I think my perfume collection looks super cute. It's just on my little jewelry vanity here, but you can see they look so colorful and cute. I'm obsessed. And in my wax warmer right now, I have Vanilla Cookie Crunch melting, like I said, and this little bowl is from Goodwill, I believe. I bought it there for like $2 and it just holds like my little hair stuff and some hand sanitizers, so yeah. Why don't we go ahead and pick out my hygiene products of the day, because you guys know how much I love doing that. Let me just say, you guys, this deodorant has been one of my favorites. It is the Dove Coconut and Pink Jasmine scent. This is what it looks like. It just smells so good and they glide on like butter, like I always say, so I've been loving this one. I definitely gotta use her. Maybe we'll do coconut scented body care routine. So I think I'll use the new coconut oil by OGX lotion, and of course we got to do the matching body wash so that they're there together. But yeah, and I also might use this Cocoa Chill calming body scrub from Pink. Honestly, you guys, I don't like this at all. It's a weird consistency and it doesn't really scrub, but it's very gentle, so I'm just gonna use her up because I need to. And I think with it I'll use the oil so that I have an extra moisture. And for a scent, I'm gonna use probably Coconut Cream Pie so they can just all match, and this is the only coconut scented fragrance mist that I have. And currently what I'm wearing is Hello Beautiful. This smells so good. This is definitely gonna be one of my favorite scents of all time. And I'm also wearing my Toka perfume in Cleopatra. Ugh, I love this scent so much. The fragrance notes are white gardenia, jasmine petals, magnolia blossom, pink nectarine, and cotton musk. So those are my hygiene products of the day. I'm gonna try to edit this video right now, and I'll talk to you guys probably when I'm done showering. So I'm gonna do a face mask right now, and I thought I would just show you guys. I'm taking off my eyelashes and that hurt. So I'm gonna wash off or wipe off my makeup with my micellar water. I need to get another one of these because I'm almost out, but this stuff seriously lasts me so long. I feel like I've had it for a while and it's still not gone. It literally takes off your makeup so well. Now I'm gonna take this Ordinary peeling solution, and I'm just gonna take a little bit. I heard you don't need like a lot for this stuff. Look at how red it is, and it does freaking burn your skin or like tingle it. So I'm just gonna apply this on my cheeks. I feel it tingling already. I do not like that feeling, and I don't do this mask often, you guys. I haven't done this mask in like a few weeks because I know that it's really strong, but it's just supposed to like take off all your dead skin. And I also do it a little bit on my nose because I don't like blackheads. I don't know if it's supposed to help with that, but I just take a little bit, apply it all over my face. How do people put on face masks like so cute? Because you guys, I look ridiculous. Okay, so now that that's on, it says to just wait like no more than 10 minutes. So I'm probably just gonna leave this on for like 5 minutes and wash it off and take a shower. Also, you guys, this is my new little wax warmer. I thought I would just show you guys, but it just plugs in the wall. It's kind of like a wallflower, but you put the cube on top and the wax is in here. It's already melted. I'm melting Zen right now from, I think it's Better Homes and Gardens. So yeah. Alrighty, you guys, so it is currently 12 at night and I am so tired. I was up editing this vlog and making sure the thumbnail looked good and stuff, but thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!